Alright, hello everyone, this is Bedroom Fire Alarm Test 9. Today I've got a couple of new devices here, so we'll just go ahead and look over them. So right here you'll see the module isn't in here for this test, because it's in here. I've got my Firelight BG12LX up here again, mounted on its nice matching back box. This back box won't always be here, but probably whenever I use a BG12 I'll just use a BG12 back box like this. Going up above, you'll see the notification appliances look a lot more clean now. I finally got a proper cover plate for here, and I've got a new system sensor P4RL that is being used as a 2-wire device instead of a 4-wire device. So this will be doing system sensor sync and code 3 low volume. Both smoke detectors are the same. Audible silence as always. Now what you see is when I flip the switch back up, the LED on the module does go out, but if it gets reactivated, it comes back on. That's kind of cool, in my opinion. So that is the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.